Alright, so out here for the second day at White Horse Lake. Came out here a few days ago and was literally catching them every single cast. So brought the GoPro out today, see if I can replicate that. I'm not expecting anything like the first day, that was kind of unreal, but we'll see if we can't get one or two. Got one. It's a little dinker, but it's a fish. And your little dude. Well, it's fish number one for the day. He's a dinker, but he's a fish. Go back to that same spot because that's where I was catching him the other day and he was just there. Better got a hook in my thumb though. Just got hit. Loosen my brake a little bit. Still set for the windy day. I might be a little wiser to the jerkbait after the other day. Got another one. A little better. Still dinker, but better than the last one. Oh. These fish out here, I don't know what it is, but they got some teeth on them. Just another little dinker, but see if we can't get a better one. Another little dinker, huh? Yep, another dinker. He was barely hooked. Another one that size. I don't know if we'll be getting any bigger ones today. Doesn't seem like it. Keep trying though. There's one. Another dinker, but it's a fish. He's a little better. He's a pound maybe. Look where that hook's at. Hang on, dude. You ain't helping yourself there, dude. Fish number 3 for the day. Getting a little bigger now. Now we need one about 4 times that size. I got fishing line tied around my shoe somehow. Alright. Hey, Spunky. Rod went in the water, but whatever. A little crappie hanging out in that stump still. That's a nice flukes hanging there too. hit it right here at my feet. There we go. Getting bigger still. Oh yeah, he's bigger. There we go, getting there. Still nothing big, but he's better than what I've been getting. Might be a good sign the bite's turning on though. The bigger ones are starting to bite. It was about this time the other day when they started biting too. I was catching the whole time I was here last time, but it was around this time for about an hour or two. It was literally every cast I was catching a fish. So, with any luck, might be able to do the same again today. There's another one. Another dink, but it's another one. Getting back onto that back-to-back cast again. I ain't gonna complain, I'll take dinks back-to-back casts. Dude, chill. Oh, yeah, another dink, but proving my point though, we're getting back to back cast again, so. Honestly kind of glad I'm not getting bit every cast today, because the other day I literally wore my thumb out to the point it was bleeding, and it sucked, especially with all these little dinkers. They have these sharp little teeth and they start thrashing and it just digs more into your thumb, and I still have fast thumb, but it was terrible the other day. Another dink. That is another dink. What I was talking about, you don't even feel them hit it, it just all of a sudden gets heavy. I guess they're so small you can't really feel them, but well, is that number 4, number 5, number 6? I don't even know. Another dinker. Yo, did he just poop right there? What is that? Looks like krill. I don't know what that is. He just pooped something out. I don't know if you guys could see that on the camera, but it might honestly be these little flies that are flying around too. They might just be eating them off the top. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. There's one in the water right there. They're eating bugs. Must not be a whole lot of bait fish in here. I know there's some crappie. They stock it with trout in the summer, but the other day when I was here, I saw some little fish swimming around in here. I don't know what they were, but Maybe the big ones eat all the little fish and the little ones just have to eat what they can. Try this last cast, and then I really need to put more line on this now that I had to cut half of it out from a backlash. And I might try a jig a few times, see if I can't get a decent fish. Oh, there's another one, another dink. He might be a pound, he's a little better. He's fighting out there. Come on. He's a little bigger. Another pound. That one might be the biggest today. I don't know. The other one might have been a little bigger, but we're sizing up at least. I'm gonna look at him. Pretty fish. The bigger ones might be over there in them reeds, to be honest with you. It is starting to warm up a little bit now. The water's starting to warm up a little bit. They're gonna start making their way up shallow. I don't know if they're actually up bedding yet, but I wish this wind would pick up a little bit. Something about that wind, it just makes fish bite a jerkbait. Oh, it's because they don't see the lines. Oh, he missed it. I don't know if it's because they don't see the line on top of the water or what, but they will hit a jerkbait in the wind. Oh, there's one more time because I just missed one out there. Try to work it a little slower, see if I can get something. Sometimes the bigger ones like it to be a little slower. There we go. He feels a little better. I don't know. It looks a little better. No, I'm not. Here's a dink. He's just a fat little healthy guy. Strong. Good Lord. Here we go. That did not want to come out. Another dink. Nothing spectacular, but like I said, I'll take catching dinks over catching no bass at all.